This lesson begins a three-part beginner series on bridge defense. Today you will learn how to read dummy, update the defensive plan, choose between active and passive defense, play correctly in third hand, and begin counting unseen cards. Part 2 will cover opening leads, and Part 3 will cover signals and discards. Defense begins before Trick 1 with the auction. The bidding gives clues about strength, shape, long suits, short suits, and possible weak points. For example, a splinter bid usually shows support for partner and shortness in the suit bid, typically a singleton or a void. After stamen, a response of 2 hearts or 2 spades tells you that opener has at least 4 cards in that major, and, depending on the partnership agreement, occasionally 5. And in a 5-card major system, an opening bid of 1 heart or 1 spade normally promises at least 5 cards in that suit. These clues help the defenders estimate the hidden distribution before dummy appears. It may suggest what to lead, what to avoid, or simply where to begin looking. Consider the same hand in 4 different auctions. Against no trump, hearts are your longest suit, but this hand does not have one automatic lead. The auction and the contract level may change the choice. Here are 4 different situations. Against 3 no trump, partner has overcalled diamonds. Partner's suit is the natural place to start, so lead a diamond. Against 1 no trump, your side has not bid. With no stronger clue, lead your longest suit, a heart. Against 3 no trump, an opponent opened 1 heart. Your longest suit belongs to the opponent's, so look elsewhere and lead a club. Against 6 no trump, quick tricks may be urgent. Lead the spade king from king queen. The same hand can require a different lead when the auction or contract changes. The opening lead begins the defensive plan. You must choose both the suit and the exact card. Part 2 will study those choices in detail. For now, remember that the opening lead is the defense's first decision and partner's first clue. The opening lead begins the defense, but it does not commit the defenders to one plan for the entire hand. When dummy appears, stop and look for declarer's easiest source of extra tricks. Sometimes the opening suit is still correct. Sometimes dummy reveals a more urgent danger. East is declarer in 4 hearts, and you lead the club queen. Now dummy appears. Dummy has only 2 clubs and 3 trumps. Declarer has 4 clubs. After 2 rounds of clubs, dummy will be void. Declarer's plan is to ruff the 2 remaining club losers in dummy. The defense must reduce dummy's ruffing power before that happens. Continuing clubs automatically gives declarer exactly what declarer needs. The defense must switch to trumps. But South cannot make that switch at the first trick. North must take control. You lead the club queen and dummy plays the 3. North overtakes your queen with the king. Normally, defenders avoid taking a trick that partner was already winning. Here, the overtake is necessary. North can see the ruffing danger and must make the urgent trump switch. North switches to the heart 5. Declarer wins in hand, but dummy must follow with one of its trumps. The trump lead does not win an immediate trick for the defense. Its purpose is to remove a trump that declarer wanted to use for a club ruff. Dummy now has only 2 trumps. Declarer continues with the club 9. North wins the trick with the club 10. Dummy is now out of clubs. Declarer still has 2 clubs, and dummy still has 2 trumps. 1 trump lead was not enough. The defense must play a second round of trumps before declarer can begin ruffing. North cannot lead another trump because the heart 5 was North's only heart. North therefore needs to put South on lead. North leads the diamond 2, and you win with the ace. The diamond lead is not an attempt to establish diamond tricks. It is an entry to your hand so that you can continue the defensive plan. You must now understand why partner put you on lead. Return the heart 8. Dummy must follow with another trump. The defense has now removed 2 of dummy's 3 trumps. Dummy can ruff only 1 of declarer's 2 remaining clubs. The other club becomes the 4th defensive trick, and 4 hearts goes down 1. Suppose South wins the first trick with the club queen and simply continues clubs. The defense loses an important tempo. By the time North can switch to a trump, dummy still has enough trumps to ruff both remaining clubs. Declarer then makes the contract. The opening lead was not wrong, but dummy revealed a new and more urgent danger. North recognized that danger, overtook the opening lead, and switched to a trump. South then understood North's plan and returned a second trump. This is partnership defense. One defender identifies the danger, and the other defender helps complete the plan. Do not continue the opening suit automatically. Whenever dummy appears, ask what declarer is trying to do. Ruffing power or a dangerous side suit may require active defense, while losers that cannot escape may favor passive defense. Use dummy to update the plan instead of continuing the opening suit by habit. Declarer has Jack 9-7 opposite dummy's King 5-4. If declarer must lead the suit, there is no natural winner, and declarer must solve the position. If a defender opens the suit at the wrong time, the defense may create a trick for declarer. Passive defense often means refusing to do declarer's work. Defense can be active or passive. Active defense takes or develops tricks before declarer can discard or ruff losers. Passive defense avoids opening suits that may give declarer a trick. Choose by asking whether declarer has a way to eliminate losers. A strong side suit or ruffing power often calls for action, while a balanced dummy and fixed losers may favor patience. Third hand usually plays high when partner leads low and dummy plays low. But high means high enough, not automatically your highest card. Use the cheapest card that wins the trick or forces declarer to use a higher card. Partner leads the diamond 4. Dummy plays low from 9-7-3 and you hold King 10-5. Play the king. If declarer has the ace, forcing it is still the correct result. With touching cards, play the lowest card in the sequence that does the job. From King Queen Jack, play the Jack. From King Queen 5, play the Queen. And from Queen Jack 10-9, play the 9. On opening lead, you normally lead the top of a sequence. As third hand, you play the cheapest effective card. partner is reading the exact card you choose. Partner leads the heart 3, dummy plays low, and you hold Queen Jack 10. Play the 10. It forces declarer's ace and tells partner that declarer could not win with the queen or jack. Your card both contests the trick and helps partner read the suit. Trying to confuse declarer can easily confuse partner instead. Play standard, readable cards so partner can trust the information you provide. First, play the spade king. Second, play the heart jack. Third, play the diamond 9. Fourth, play the club 9. In every case, use the cheapest card that is high enough. Third hand high means high enough, not blindly highest. Protect partner's lead without wasting a higher card or distorting the suit. Accurate third hand play is part of partnership defense. Signals and discards let defenders exchange attitude, count, and suit preference. We will study those methods in Part 3. Strong defenders count 3 things: shape, tricks, and high card points. Beginners should not try to master all 3 at once. Start with a simple running count of the unseen cards. Later, that habit becomes the foundation for reconstructing complete shape. Counting complete shape is difficult at first. Begin by tracking how many cards in each suit remain hidden between declarer and partner. Use the suit order shown in dummy and reduce a number only when west or north plays that suit. Cards from your hand and dummy were already included in the starting calculation. If you are a beginner, use this routine on every hand. For now, the goal is not to reconstruct complete shape, but to build the habit of counting from trick 1. A hand may look easy and then suddenly demand a critical discard. If you have not counted from the beginning, the information may already be gone. Keep the count in your head rather than on paper. Writing divides your attention and does not train you for face-to-face bridge. In dummy order, spades, hearts, clubs, and diamonds, the unseen counts are 6, 8, 5, 7. Keep that order fixed throughout the hand. You may find it easier to group the 4 digits into 2 pairs. Instead of 6, 8, 5, 7, think 68, 57. This is optional, so use whichever method feels easier while preserving the suit order shown in dummy. At the first 2 tricks, north and west each play a heart. The heart count falls from 8 to 6, then from 6 to 4. At trick 3, 1 club appears from each hidden hand, so clubs fall from 5 to 3. At trick 4, another heart appears from each hidden hand, so hearts fall from 4 to 2. Your diamond discard does not change the count because your hand was visible from the start. Three rounds of spades reduce the hidden count from 6 to 4, then 2, then 0. With no spades left in either hidden hand and none left in dummy, your spade 10 is now a winner. At trick 8, west plays a club and north discards a heart. Clubs fall from 3 to 2 and hearts from 2 to 1. On the next 2 club tricks, the club count falls from 2 to 1, then to 0. North's diamond discards reduced diamonds from 7 to 6, then to 5. You win the 4th club with the 10. You are on lead with the spade 10 and 2 diamonds. Because the spade count is 0, the spade 10 is a certain winner. Cash it now. All 3 other hands discard diamonds, exactly as the count predicted. West and North each play a hidden diamond, so diamonds fall from 5 to 3. Counting has identified a winner that originally looked like a small card. Continue with the diamond 9, and partner wins the ace. The diamond count falls from 3 to 1. Partner then cashes the final hidden heart while declarer discards the last hidden diamond. The defense takes 6 tricks, defeating 3 no-trump by 2. Counting matters only when you use the information. Here, 0 spades told you that the spade 10 was a winner. Count the cards, then use the count. Suppose one no-trump shows 15 to 17 high card points. Dummy has 10, and you have 11. You can see 21 points, leaving partner only about 2 to 4. That limits which missing honors partner can hold. A plan requiring partner to hold 2 aces is impossible, while 1 queen may be realistic. You do not need to place every honor immediately. Ask whether partner can still hold the card your defense requires, or whether the auction places it with declarer. High card point counting turns possibilities into constraints. Defense is harder because partners cannot see each other's hands, but it is not random. Use the auction, the opening lead, dummy, declarer's play, and partner's cards as clues. Build the plan, update it when dummy appears, and choose between active and passive defense. In third hand, use the cheapest effective card and begin counting unseen cards, tricks, and high card points. The better you count, the less you guess, and the more effectively the partnership defends. If this lesson helped, please like the video, subscribe to Bridge Lab, and tell me in the comments which defensive decision is hardest for you. See you in the practice video.